Hi, I'm Dr. Antonia Johnson. For this speech tip video, we will focus on the short vowel A sound. For all of our students from almost 70 countries and first languages, this is the vowel sound most frequently said wrong. On Twitter, Yaren says, I have trouble figuring out the difference between pronouncing status and statue, like in the phrase Statue of Liberty. And she asks, help me with the vowel A in these words also. You say this word. Some people say status. Next, say this word. Some people say statu. Let's begin with the vowel in the first syllable for both words. That A is pronounced as an American short vowel A because for both words, the first syllable is S-T-A-T. So the first syllable ends with a consonant T. It is a closed syllable and the A is the American short vowel A. The short vowel A is very difficult. It has one sound, but it is a slow muscle vowel. I will teach you an easy way to remember and train for the short vowel A. First, you need to know an important secret. People have the most difficult time learning and remembering short vowels. So we train them to always go back to a memory word. For the short vowel A, use the memory word hat. The easiest way to get this vowel accurately every time is to do this. Say the word hat like this. Hat. You do it. Hat. Open your mouth big and wide, like having a big smile. At the same time, push your tongue out so it touches your bottom lip. Hat. You do it. Hat. Now do that position and slow muscles for the word status. You do it. Status. Notice that when you pronounce the second syllable, you put the T with the second syllable, so it is pronounced tus with a short vowel U, like in the word up. Why do we pronounce the T with the second syllable in American English? The answer is simple. It is just physiologically easier. Status. You do it. Status. Now let's do the other word. Statue. You do it. Statue. For this word, pronounce the second syllable chew, like chew with your mouth. Chew. You say it. Chew. The vowel is the long vowel U. Statue. You do it. Statue. Now let's do both words back to back so you can hear and see the difference. Status. You do it. Status. Statue. You do it. Statue. Remember, use the word hat to train and remember the short vowel A. Thank you for watching this speech tip video. Leave us a suggestion for a future speech tip here on YouTube, or you can ask on Facebook or Twitter. For more information on English pronunciation, visit our website at cleartalkmastery.com.